How to clear all cache and junk from Windows 11 and Windows 10. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you on how we can clear off all the cache and the junk from your Windows 11 and 10 easily. So let's just get started with the video. But before that, turn on the notification bell and subscribe so that you don't miss out on any updates of our latest videos. So let's just get started on how we can clear off the cache and make our computer smoother. For that, you can hit up Windows plus R and this will appear here. So you can just type in this one first of all. You can go ahead and type in prefetch and hit OK. Once that is done, give access and you'll be seeing this Windows on the screen. So what we're going to do is delete all the unnecessary files from here. Usually we all have unnecessary files. So in order to select all, you can hit Ctrl+A and it will select all of the files that are available here. Don't worry, it won't delete, it won't cause any kind of effect on your computer. So you can just wait for the deletion to be completed. It usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes depending upon your computer speed, and that should do it. Once you have completed, once the cache has been deleting, the cache has been completed from this section, the other section from where we are going to clear the junk is, for that you need to hit up Windows plus R again and head over. Let me just put it on the middle of the screen, and after that cancel this out and type in temp and hit OK. Again, you'll be taken to this folder in your computer. So from here also hit Ctrl+A. After that is done, it will automatically select all of the unnecessary files and folders. And after that, again, hit Shift+Delete, and you need to permanently delete these files. Click on yes and wait for the completion. So you can skip up some of the files. It is completely okay. But other than that, you can just delete up the unnecessary files and folders from this section of your Windows. So just do that. And after that is done, you can just go ahead and close it up again. And after that, the next thing we're going to do is hit the Windows plus R again. And we're going to locate another file location here. So here under here, just type in %temp % this time. You can go ahead and type in that. And after that is done, click on OK. And you'll be taken to this in your file explorer. And once you're here again, click Windows plus Ctrl+A and select all, and again delete the unnecessary chunks. Clear up the chunks from this folder section of your computer as well, and wait for that to be completed. From here also you can skip some of them, as some of them are important for some of the programs, applications to run smoothly on your computer. So you can do that and wait for the deletion to be completed from there. And the next thing is hit run again, and this time go ahead and type in clean ngr. Just go ahead and type in that, hit OK, and it will start cleaning up your disk from here. So you can wait for the disk cleanup to be completed. It may take about 2 to 3 minutes. You can just wait for that to be done. And once it is done, you'll be finding this. So what you can do is look up for these files here. You can check mark these unnecessary files from here. Just go ahead and check mark all of this and click on OK, and it will clean up your disk for your Windows. So that is it. That is how you can clean up your disk on your Windows 10 or 11 and all the cache as well. So it is an easy way you can follow up. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.